put in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil for this dish. And you might think 2 tablespoons is a lot, but mushrooms do take a lot of oil. And now we're going to add in dried red chilies. That's your ginger and garlic. And some curry leaves. And we've got some mustard seeds here. We'll just wait till it browns nicely. So we're just going to cut the onion. And now we've got the peppers that we cut earlier. And what we want to do is get these just a little bit brown before we put the mushrooms in. So this is getting golden brown now. So as you can see, there's a lot of water that's come out of the mushrooms, so that has to be boiled away. So a lot of water has come out and it's now almost gone. So we'll just wait a few more minutes and then we can add in tomato puree. We've got our spices all ready to put in, and then there's some ground pepper, and then the tomato puree, which we're going to put in first. Now add in the tomato puree. All your spices. Now we're going to add in the pepper. Make sure you put the gas low because it might just burn the spices. Add in some salt. Right, I'm just going to add in a little bit of coriander. So now I'll put it in a bowl. So the dish is now ready. We're going to try a little bit. I'm cheating because I should really eat it either with some rice or some roti. But let's give it a go. It's not too hot. I was worried that the red dried chilies we put in might make it a little hot. It's just perfect, crispy. So enjoy this dish and I'll see you on my next video. Please like, share and subscribe. And please add some comments. I love to read your comments. Thanks for watching.